my YouTube channel, or hello, hi if you're new, welcome. I've missed you guys so much. So today's video is actually going to be like a driving me to Starbucks video and a chit chat. Like, I absolutely love these videos. I've got so much to catch you up on. Like, I've just got a few things that are on my mind, like reflection, because it's July. Happy July everyone. I hope you enjoy the next 6 months of this year, but we're going to get into that, like reflection, everything like that. And then I've got some exciting stuff like just to come, like to do with me and like my goals and stuff like that. So it's just a big update, and I'm so sorry for not uploading yesterday. So yesterday was Wednesday. I had just one of those days where I didn't feel motivated and confident in my content, and this video is going to be about like just pushing past that, like you are good enough. Like this morning as well, I feel a little bit overdressed for this video. I've got a bodycon dress on, and to be honest, I was a lot slimmer when I last wore it, and then again I was like, no, do not let that get you down. Like, you look amazing. And just this video is going to be a lot about self-love, a lot about chit-chatting, girl talk, and just exciting things to come. Oh my god, it's like really hot in here, oh my god. But yeah, just exciting things to come. And oh my god, Oreo! Oh, my cat just looks so cute over there. So yeah, just a chit-chatty video. Let's go to Starbucks as well. And yeah, it's just really nice talking to you guys. I just feel like I'm in such a nice, like, friendly bubble with everyone, and it's just so nice to talk to you, and I wish you could talk to me back. I would absolutely love it if you let me know down in the comments what's new with you. And yeah, please smash this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. I'd absolutely love if you come part of the Unicorn Gal Bam. We'd love to have you. And yeah, let's get into this chit-chatty video. And of course, I've got some Starbucks orders on my phone because I have no idea what to order when I go to Starbucks. I don't know how people do it. Just think of orders what they want, or they probably look online, to be honest. But that's me just screenshotting everyone else's order. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's make a move. Let's get into some deep chats. Well, not deep chats, but like fun chats. I like deep chats. Like, they're just so interesting, and like they grab my attention. Get you thinking chats. Yes. Clicked in. Let's go. Okay, so I've just parked up, but it's actually quite busy today, so that's just a shame. So I'm thinking, oh, here's my little go-to. So it's actually from Gemma's story. So I'm thinking about, I usually get the hibiscus tea with lemonade and the strawberry syrup, but I'm thinking about getting the peach iced tea with strawberry syrup. And then I'm like, do I get iced coffee as well, because I'm really fancying one. So the other one is iced frappuccino light with coconut milk and sugar-free vanilla syrup. But the thing is, will I remember it? So since there is a queue, I can remember my order. So iced frappuccino light with coconut milk and sugar-free vanilla syrup, and then I want to order a peach iced tea with strawberry syrup. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Okay, I'm next in line.
Welcome to Starbucks. My name's Kelly. What can I get for you?
Hi lovely, can I get a iced frappuccino light with coconut milk and sugar-free vanilla syrup?
Would you like the vegan whipped cream on that?
No cream thanks.
Yeah.
And then can I also get the peach iced tea with strawberry syrup, please?
The peach iced tea with strawberry?
Yeah, that's the one.
Is that everything?
Yeah, that's everything, thank you.
Perfect, I'll see you at the window.
Thank you. I did it, guys. That was so nerve-wracking. I always get really nervous when like I'm ordering stuff. I don't know, Shane always does it for me. Yeah, just gotta wait for my order now. And then I'm thinking that we could park up somewhere really cute. So I think I won't make you wait in the queue. I'll just skip this bit, and then I'll grab my order. Oh, I got to start my engine up again. I just tried to move the car without the engine on. I literally do it all the time. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm like, vroom, 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 nothing's there. I feel like all I'm going to be doing now is focusing on this car. It is really cute. It's just like climbing around everywhere. But yeah, I did go to Starbucks and I collected my order. You saw me order my order, but my camera overheated. But I'll just show you what I got. So thanks to Gemma. Thank you so much to Gemma for these suggestions. So I got the peach iced tea with strawberry, and then I also got the iced frappuccino light with coconut milk and vanilla. That's that one. So yeah, really happy with those. Oh my god, this cat is just so cute. I think I'm gonna have the refresher first because it's really hot right now. That is really, really good. Yes. Needed that right now. So, so nice. That is really, really nice too. Rate both of these drinks. Thanks, Gemma. There's no cuter cat than my cat, is there, Oreo? 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 Oh, you're so cute. She's so cute. Okay, so we're back home now with the iced peach tea with strawberry syrup. So, so nice. So yeah, I thought I'd just decide to come home. Like, there's not many places around, like, close to where I live where you can go, and it's sort of like very large, so then you're in your own space. I feel like I'm in my own, like, little safe bubble when I'm, like, at home. It's just really, really nice. So yeah, and it's really, really nice scenery here anyway, so why not? So yeah, I really, really like this. Oh look, it even has an F on it. Nice. So yeah, I thought we'd talk about, oh my god, is that the reflection of my drink? I thought we'd talk about just a few things, obviously with law of attraction and stuff. I absolutely rate the book Manifest Now. It is so, so nice. So nice, so good to read. It's such a magnificent read. The teachings in there are incredible. I really need to get her new book. I don't know how to say her name. I think it's Adil Ahmed. I'm not sure. I feel like I've just butchered her name, but she is so incredible, so beautiful as well. And yeah, her writing is just another level. Like, there's other books I've read, but her writing is so good. Love her writing, and definitely recommend that book. I really also want to get just like little books as well that I just think I really like. In general, I feel like this is a book chat. I don't know what it is, but it smells like hazelnuts in here as well, like hazelnuts. Is it meant to smell like hazelnut? I'm not sure, but yeah. So yeah, a little bit of manifestation. Apart from that, yeah, it's my week off this week. So and then it was next week as well. So getting into the exciting stuff. So Monday, I pretty much spent Monday with Shane. Or was it Tuesday? I think both the days we pretty much spent the day together since he had the time off, and that's how I spent Monday, Tuesday. And then Wednesday I was meant to film a video, but of course I wasn't feeling like myself. And I don't want to push myself into like filming a video when I'm not feeling it. And I just think it was definitely most like thoughts of self-doubt and stuff like that. And I just feel with that, like, it's just one of those things that comes and goes, and I was trying to affirm myself out of it and stuff like that, but if I wasn't in the mood, I wasn't going to be in the mood, and I felt really unproductive for some reason, even though I've done quite a lot for my new thing that I'm excited about to tell you, which I think I'm just going to go ahead and tell you. So basically, in my 2021 goals, I really wanted to do a makeup course. So drumroll please, next week I'm actually on my way to Glam by Polly salon. Oh my god, I'm literally so excited, and the best thing about it is that I know someone there, and she's just the sweetest person ever. I could have met her through the H&B Cosmetics events, which really sucks because she is such a lovely girl. Sophie, I'm coming for you. We're going to have the best time on our lunch dates, and I'm just so excited to meet her. So that's Sophie Humphries Makeup, I think that's her username. I'll link her down below, but oh my god, she's so insane, and I'm so excited because she's going to be modelling for me as well. But yeah, I'm super excited to do this makeup course, and it's just one of those things on my goal list that I want to do. Sorry, my hair's just really annoying me. It's got so hot now, so it's like really fluffy, and I've got like a dry throat. So yeah, that is my exciting news. I'm literally so excited. Like, oh my god, have you seen Glam by Polly's page? Oh my god, it's just so unreal. And oh my god, I'm just so excited to meet Polly there as well. She's just so unbelievably beautiful. With this as well, I'm just so excited to like loop in something that I've lost, because obviously when I sort of got cut off from the beauty industry from like COVID and everything, I basically lost that side of me because I had to go into retail and everything. So I basically lost everything that I basically got a degree in, which is really upsetting, but to be honest, I feel like it's going to be like another path for me, getting this makeup course, accredited makeup course, and being able to do other people's makeups properly, because I feel like even though I do makeup on myself and I've done colourful makeup before, I feel like it's a whole nother skill to do it on someone else and do it like professionally. Like so many like movers out there are so professional, and I feel like I feel like a little bit nervous, you know, guys, because going back into that environment, you've got to be so professional, and I am really professional with my beauty stuff, but it's just sort of like bringing that back in, getting the confidence back in to talk to your clients and stuff like that. And I have just been such a busy bee with just little bits here and there. But please go follow my makeup account, my new makeup account for like my clients and everything, which is fionajanecoles makeup. I can't believe I'm saying that. I literally can't believe I'm saying that. But I feel like it's just going to be a whole new door open for me. And then of course for you guys, I'm going to be doing videos for when I'm going there. I'm wondering how much content I'll be able to get. I'm thinking about like montaging some of the makeup stuff and everything like that. And then also, because for basically, so here's the breakdown. We're going next week from Tuesday to Friday, so we're going to be there Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night. The course is actually Wednesday and Thursday, so Tuesday night we're going to go there. It's in like Watford type of way, so we're going to go there, we're going to like chill, we're going to see what's around, and then Wednesday, Thursday I've got my course, so she's going to drop me off. We're going to have breakfast because we've got breakfast at the hotel we're staying at, and then Thursday we're going to go see Friday we're going to go see the Arsenal Stadium tour for Shane, because he's just a massive Arsenal fan, like the truest Arsenal fan you can get, as well as being supporter for Wales, because he's Welsh. If you're new here, Shane's Welsh. I have a Welsh boyfriend. So funny. But yeah, I support anything he supports. So yeah, I'm really actually looking forward to going. Is that weird? Like, I'm not the type of person to watch football on the TV, but I'm actually really excited to go and like do like a separate video just for him, like Arsenal Stadium tour. Girlfriend goes to Arsenal Stadium tour. Like, I've got so many good like videos ideas. I'm thinking about boyfriend said yes to me for 24 hours. That would be so funny to do. But yeah, I'm so excited, guys. Like, this is one of my main goals on my list for 2021. I'm sort of like reflecting on them a lot more now, because obviously it's halfway through the year. I want to get so much more done, and I'm just so grateful for you guys the most. I can't believe we're on 1.7k. like, what, we're almost like 2,000 unicorn gals in this little group we have, because we're all so unique. Like, I just love the fact that people come into my channel, like, they understand me, they understand like my banter, like, and it's just sort of like everything that I follow and stuff like that. But most of all, I just want to make this like a positive space to sort of show self-love and learn, and sort of like, I definitely feel like time is money, and you've got to invest in yourself. You've got to invest into reading books about learning how your mindset works, because I feel like, because we've gone all through together such like a weird time with COVID, and I felt like everything was put onto us like really like, wow, we've got to like stay at home, and it affected all our mindsets and everything like that. And I feel like we can sort of unchange everything that sort of scared us, and you can do this with other aspects in sort of like your life. Like, if for example, I think I've mentioned before, like, it's all works with the subconscious and conscious mind, and this is why I love affirmations, because you can be in the mirror and like talking to yourself saying, I am amazing, I am confident, I am beautiful, I am, you know, like, I feel like at first when you get into a law of attraction, you do think some people are a little bit cuckoo, but at the end of the day, you're telling your subconscious mind like what you want to be. And I feel like that's how the brain works and everything like that, because that's how it does. You've got your conscious mind, which is meant to be for when you're like learning stuff on the dot. So for example, when you're first driving a car and everything, you're literally like in that moment like, oh my god, I've got to put this gear there, this gear there, this gear there, and then it moves to your subconscious mind after you've done it for a couple of months. So for example, if you're in lack of money, and you always believe you're in lack of money, and you always save your money, you don't spend it or anything like that, or like you don't feel like you can make loads of money, that's all in your subconscious mind already from when you're like raised up maybe. And you can change your subconscious mind with your conscious mind, for example. So you can say, I have multiple streams of income, I am a money magnet, and you'll start to see change in your behavior. You'll start to see like how you manage money more. Like, say you don't spend it all at once, for example, because that is managing money correctly in a sense. Do you know what I mean? It's all in little proportions when you think about it, like what you want and how you're going to manifest it. And also you have those big transactions where you're like, I'm going to start a business that will help me gain another source of income, for example. But yeah, so that is like some manifestation talk I wanted to get into, and my big news. And oh my god, I need to try the other drink as well. I can't believe what a beautiful day today it is. It's literally so nice. It's like, because I brought a shacket out this morning, like a shacket, because I thought it was going to be cold, and obviously I wore this dress. And it's not, it's not cold. But yeah, I wonder if we're going to have any more like warm weather. It depends with the UK. It's very splish splash everywhere. But yeah, that's also another topic as well, with like this morning when I was like, oh, I haven't worn this dress for a while. I don't know how I feel about wearing it now, because like my body has changed. I feel like that mindset, it can be quite negative. Like, I think when you see how you speak to yourself, you honestly think, why am I speaking to myself like that? I wouldn't speak to my friend like that, so why are you talking to yourself like that? So whenever I sort of like get that little sort of murmur going, oh, I don't look that good, or something like that in this dress now compared to what I used to be, I think you've got to take it from where you are standing now. Like, oh, I love this about this dress, I love this about my body, you know, sort of implanting those positive beliefs about yourself now instead of reflecting on the past. I feel like you can get so in a trap of comparing yourself to others, or comparing yourself to your past self. Like, it's such a vicious trap where you've just got to be in the state of now and what you're grateful for now and everything like that. It is something that I do think about and like reflect on. Oh my god, this is so good. But yeah, it's the same with when I was in that state the other day with the video. I was looking at other people's videos and be like, oh, I really want to be like their content. But at the end of the day, you are your own content, and that's where you can get down the consumer hole as well. You can either be a consumer or a producer. And I feel like when people are scrolling through like TikTok or Twitter or something like that, you can be there for hours. That is like hours of your time that you're wasting on someone else's life and not improving yours. I feel like that is such a powerful thing to actually realise, and this is why I don't really like going on my phone too much, but then I also have work to do. So social media is quite a big balance of what you can do versus what you're wasting, in a sense, because social media can help like improve our lives in so many ways, with affirmation, like showing like how good of knowledge is out there and stuff like that. And yeah, it's so important to realise, even though social media can be a really positive place, like a really positive place like I want on my channel, but at the same time it can be quite a little hole to go down, and you've just got to be really aware of how much time you want to spend on that, because it can affect your mental state, it can affect like what you're feeling. And I think that's one of the things where when you come out into nature and you spend time with nature and animals, you feel in the now, and it's just so amazing being in that now. And I just love all animals, I just think they're absolutely amazing. And yeah, I feel like I've had a little chat with you for a while now. I don't know whether to round off the video here. So I think I'm going to end off the video here. I went very deep in the end. But yeah, just some like general topics I like think about on a daily basis with the law of attraction. And I just think it's really nice just like asking questions and sort of like learning how the mind works and stuff like that. But I have been chatting for a while, and I just wanted to share my exciting news. So yeah, this next week, literally like, might do a little vlog on like packing with me and stuff like that, but I'm going to be doing a makeup course at Glam by Polly Salon. I'm so excited, and so excited to take you with me. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as like I'm going to. I know I'm going to. I'm just like, it's one of those things where I'm like, oh, what am I going to wear? What do you think I should wear? And everything like that. But I'm really excited for this next week. And oh my god, I had my air con thingy on. But yeah, I'm really excited for this next week of videos. I hope you guys enjoy it too, and thank you so much for watching this one. Oh my god, has that been playing like the whole time? I feel like it's dead quiet now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and thank you so much for talking with me. I appreciate it so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. And yeah, that's it from me for now, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.